Happy Monday, everybody. Um, we are looking at Monday, March 30th. We're almost into April. We are going into week 3 of this e-learning, and you are all doing great at this. And I miss you all. I miss seeing your faces. So hopefully you can join Zoom this week, if not every day, at least once, so I can see you and see how you're doing, and you can ask any questions that you have. I did want to go through our schedule for this week just so you can see how it's going to be laid out and what you're going to be doing every day. So this is Monday, March 30th, and there's Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday, what you're going to want to do is click on the daily message and see what message I have. I'll either have something typed up, it'll be a video from me, or it's going to be this screen sharing. I wanted to screen share today though, just so I could walk through each one of these. So reading this week, you've got your 1 minute fluency each day. If your form, if you click on this, when you click on it and that Google Doc doesn't work, just go ahead, or if you're not able to put your numbers and stuff in there, go ahead and just read it and then email me your numbers. You don't have to worry too much about sending the Google Doc in if you can't get it to work. Just send me an email. And then today you're going to watch and listen to this author read aloud, and then you're going to work on this little read aloud worksheet. Shouldn't take you too long, hopefully 15-20 minutes tops. And that's the only read aloud you're doing for the week. So don't worry about your iReady today. If you don't want to do that today, you're going to have this read aloud instead. And then you're going to have your 20 minutes choice reading as usual. For math, you've got the volume escape room. There is a video instructions right here that you can watch if you're confused on how to do this. You'll click on the video, the volume escape room. You'll click on that and it takes you to the Google Classroom. And that will show you the instructions and have everything you need there. But this video here will walk you through the Google Classroom, what's on there and what you're going to need. And then again, your iReady math is all week. You're going to do 2 lessons in the week. You don't have to do 2 lessons a day. Some of you thought you needed to do 2 lessons per day. It's 2 lessons per week past. And the same with the reading. It's 2 lessons per week past. Let's see. So for writing, you're going to have your influential famous person essay, and you're going to start this. Here's the video instructions for that. I walk through the instructions, so if you have any questions, watch that video instructions first, and then if that doesn't answer your questions, you feel free to ask me anything that you need. There are different rubrics, so you'll be assigned a rubric. It'll be part of your materials in Google Classroom. It won't be part of your assignment. It'll be an extra materials for you to use that there. So, and you're going to be working on that all week long. And as for science, today there's nothing. There's only one. I've added one science thing. You can do it today if you want, but it is set for Tuesday. You're going to watch these 2 videos and then you'll complete and submit this worksheet. So kind of the same thing as last week. We just added a little bit more to it since now that you're getting used to e-learning. We wanted to make sure that you were getting the knowledge that you needed. And hopefully this won't overwhelm you, but if you're spending more than 2-3 hours a day, that's too much. Let me know if you're stuck on something. I don't want to make you have to work forever on any of these things. So if you're stuck on anything, definitely let me know. Like I said, I don't want you to hate e-learning. I don't want you to hate doing schoolwork at home. I do miss all of you. Wish we could be together in the classroom. And I will see you on Zoom at 9 o'clock. We're going to do Zooms all week at night from 9 to 10. Talk to you soon.